In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Now click on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Emergency Contact and click on all of those that you wish to add. When you're finished, hit Done at the bottom. As you can see, after that, all of my contacts were successfully added. To remove one of them, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Delete. Select the one that you wish to remove and confirm your choice by tapping on this bin at the bottom. Lastly, make sure that this switcher next to Show on Lock Screen is on in order to your contacts to show up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!